If your business website is not properly secured, it could be easily compromised, which could lead to vandalism, disruption of service, or the theft of business or client data. All of these can have severe consequences. Websites vary from business to business, but there are some basic tips to follow. If you host your websites internally on servers belonging to your business, do the following. Restrict access to authorized employees only. Apply all available and relevant patches to the web server operating systems and any other software that is running to help resolve any known issues. Implement regular backups of your business systems to a server at a separate location. Turn on server logging and have whoever is in charge of the servers review those logs regularly and keep an eye out for suspicious activity. If your business uses a web hosting service, make sure they have a security plan and that they follow best practices, such as scanning their web servers and your website for potential issues and then fix those issues to further protect the server and your site. Monitoring your website and any systems for intrusion or attempted vandalism. Protecting your website from intrusion and disruption. Restoring your site to service in the event of a failure or disruption by cybercriminals. Do not post any personal emails on your business website as spammers and others will use them. Use generic business accounts like sales@yourbusiness.com or support@yourbusiness.com. Be prepared in case your business website is compromised. You may need to reduce service, switch to a backup server or service provider, or even take your site offline temporarily. Consider all of this before a security incident takes place so everyone in the business knows what needs to be done.